Maraming salamat sa pinakaadlaw na paghahatag ninyo sa inyong generosity. Thank you so much. And again, tonight we will be crowning our Miss Bangladesh 2025. So please see here 7 in the evening. Kompleto na ta? So we will be rolling ato ng mga festival beats. Ato ng sinasa Niños. Ato ng mga prize we will be having our community dance. Ang last couple ng tribo, Lian. Tribo pa ko, Leo, kukuha ka mo sa inyo kapabaw. Ayan. Tribo pa ko. Baka dito lang ang inyo kapabaw. So all our dancers, our dear children, madamong inyong salamat for joining and participating. You surely the essence nilo sa a very strong and resilient generation. So, grabe yung kwan. Yes, sabi na yung energy under the heat of the sun. Thank you so much. That is well appreciated. Yes. Also, salamat sa inyo Makoy. We will be rallying for our best and hustle team. Family and Ugay family, madamo niya salamat sa iwan. Tribo pa po, hindi na kamo magpalayuan, na kapasili niya kapag nga area. Dalawat ako sino, yung ang pinak... our winners, pero karon sa gabi ninyo, ikuha na ninyo mga prizes. Dapat sa kakita mo karon sa gabi. But we will be announcing our winners right now. Pero you will claim your prize later this evening during the Miss Bangladesh 2025. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, gusto ko matindog na lang yung mga dancers natin. Everybody stand up. My community's dance song to that manong. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, our fourth competing tribes. Thank you so much! Palapakan natin lahat ng mga tribo. Sa mga production staff, sa choreographers, to the dancers, to the makeup artists, to the painters, all throughout the craftsmen, magdamang and congratulations everyone! So well done din palapakan natin yung inyong kaugalingan. And for the element of surprise, we will not announce our winners. So we will be announcing our winners kuno karon sa gabi. So kita na italiwat karon sa gabi. Ang aton yung winners will be announced later tonight, and of course with your prizes. Maricel dito, please come here tonight sa stage. Kaya ang certificate sa ato ng judges. Sige, Karina! Karina, magpapran ang ating winners ay now holding their soap. Sa apat, congratulations gift sa inyo, double that. And also, we will be seeing also Kid by CV later tonight, our official videographer and photographer. And goes out also sa mga vloggers sa atin. So mga hapon yan ang ugyan. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. The result is in the finish line. Please be ready. I'll be announcing first our second runner-up. This is checked and verified by our judges. Sa atin ng mga judges. At sa atin ng mga judges. Mamarili ko, we are looking for the certificates of our judges. Anak ko na daw sa imo. Again, you will be claiming your prize kalang sa gabi, ha? Okay, are you ready? Okay, our second runner-up goes to Rigo. This year's Theater Festival goes to Rigo! Before we will announce our champion this year, of course, we will be having our Purok President of Zone 6 and of course the organizer of this 125th annual celebration of Barangay 1. We have Sir Adonis Ugat to present the certificate of appreciation to our panel board of judges. To present the certificate of appreciation, we have our Purok President, Sir Adonis Vance Ugay. given to Jasper the Asses. Third one is here. Our certificate of appreciation is given to Sir Jasper the Asses. Same certificate is given to Ms. Vanille Desma. Appreciation given to Byron Rivera. Here we go! This year's champion is Freeman! Kita nga ito kalon sa gabi for winning our Miss Pagatan 2025 Freeman! And we will be also awarding our best in costume and best in choreography. Our best in costume and best in choreography goes to Primo! Congratulations, everyone! And of course, our best weekend goes to Freeman! Negrito! Congratulations, everyone! Please don't forget masakang kamutalan ka rin sa gabi. See you everyone! Like na lahat, alas 7 sa gabi. Safe place, safe fiesta. Thank you so much!